Hi everybody, this is Saucy, the Towboat chef. Oh, I know, I'm wearing the same shirt as the last video. Because I did this video on the same day. This is dessert number 2. It's called Sopapilla cheesecake. I'll give you the pronunciation down here in the bottom. And I will also give the meaning down here at the bottom of what Sopapilla means. And then you'll understand as I make it what it is. Alright? So let's get started with the ingredients. Okay, you need 2 packs of cream cheese. You need some melted butter, or semi-melted. You'll see why. 2 things of either crescent rolls or crescent sheets. Remember, this is Towboat style, so I don't have a lot of time to make crescent sheets by scratch. All right, 1 cup of sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla. The honey, it depends on how much you want. And of course the cinnamon, which goes into some sugar right here. And you'll see why for that too as well. Alright, let's get this started making, okay? Be right back. Okay, first you start by putting your sugar in, your vanilla, and your cream cheese into the mixer. Now, of course, I'm not going to have this sound because I'm sure y'all don't want to hear this sound, so enjoy what little bit of music is happening right now. See how creamy that is? That is how it's supposed to look. Oh yeah, perfect. Alright, let me get this all off of here. See, if it wasn't creamy, it wouldn't come off that easy. Alright. Let's head back over to the other table. Over that way. Okay? That way, that way. That way. Okay, got it right that time. Okay, first we're going to prep the dish here. I've already sprayed it down with Pam because you want to get it on the sides. Put a little bit of the butter in here. Take your brush, spread it around. Take some of the cinnamon, put it like coating down at the bottom. By the way, a lot of you have seen the pictures of this item. I believe it's in my first video. You had asked what the heck was that was. Okay, about that much. And you know what? Have you ever heard of Wop biscuits? You know, the canned biscuits? Well, we got some Wop crescents. Yeah, I'm going to turn this around. Yes, my trash can now is underneath that. On this book. Alright, you roll it out. And you start pinching them. That's not dirty fingers, that's just cinnamon. But here, let me wash my hands because I don't like it. I'm back. You want to pinch these guys together because you don't want it going through. Don't take long. This is why I want crescent sheets. I did order crescent sheets. Towboat style, you get what you get. So you make do and you learn to adapt and overcome, right? Alright, there's that. Then you spread this mixture all through the top of that. Try and even it out. By the way, you see that little curl? I want you to remember that. Try and get it all the way to the edge there. And even it out as much as you can. Okay, that part's done. All right. You get the other casserole and go whoop. You notice I flipped this around to where it's over there. Because when I start on this side, it's going to be flat. It's going to be curly over on this side. Just put this over the top of it. Roll it out. There, now we got a curly side on that side. And of course, do this again. You just don't want it bubbling through. It's alright if it does, though. Alright. Now, take the butter. Butter the top. Don't be afraid to use a lot of it. Especially around the edges. You'll see why after you bake it. Ooh. Ah! It does that all the time. That would be called a blooper. Blooper alert. Like I said, don't be afraid to lavish it on here. Yeah. And the reason why is because you want that little bit of a crispy, like a crispy pastry. Alright. And here we go again with the cinnamon. See, that's what I'm saying. I'm doing this with this. And that's what causes the dirty. You make this, and I'm telling you, these boys, they love it. This is something quick and easy. Put it in the oven at 350 degrees for approximately 20 to 25 minutes. Alright, be right back. Alright, just took it out of the oven. That's how crispy it starts looking. You get the honey. You gotta do it while it's warm so it spreads this honey a little bit better. You'll see why here in a second. Alright, and just Brush it over. You get that shiny effect too. And I'll tell you what I'm going to do for you guys so you can see what it looks like on the inside. I'm going to cut a piece out and I'm going to put it on a plate. But I'm not eating it. Sorry, folks. Diet requires... I had to get back on the diet after that YouTube event at Lollapalooza. Got a little bit more on this side here. A little bit more on the edges. And it's probably vibrating because we're starting to move. So I apologize. I need a stabilizer. But unfortunately on the boat I don't think anything stabilizes. Alright, that's what it looks like when it's done. Be right back. Oh, here it is. Doesn't that look good? Whoop. Well, here it is. Doesn't that look good? And blooper. Darn focus. And you know what's even better? I took this piece out, getting ready to record. Chief came in. He was hungry. He got a piece as well. As you can see, let me zoom out. It's all cut up. And these guys are going to be in here in a minute myself for some more of this. So, alright. Hold on 1 second. Be right back. I want to thank you all for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're a new subscriber, please click on subscribe. And then click on that notification bell so you can get notifications when I make more of this wonderful food. Whether it be desserts, crock pot, cast iron, or oven, or stovetop. Alright, you all have a great and wonderful day. See you down the river.